How to start invest in mutual funds for beginners. If you take into account the effect of inflation on growth, mutual funds don't look so attractive and the risk is high, with 30% or more in terms of drawdown in years to recovery in many instances. There are plenty of mutual fund alternatives that not only offer higher returns but lower risk, and here we will look at one. Overseas investment property can not only yield capital gains, it can also provide valuable extra rental income and act as a free holiday home, so you get to enjoy it too. As more Americans want beachfront property at affordable prices, and in Costa Rica properties can cost up to 70% less than in the USA, and Costa Rica is only a 2-hour flight away. Many investors simply hope their mutual funds will deliver above average capital gains, but the odds are against them despite what the sales literature says. If you are looking for solid longer-term gains, then an overseas property investment in a country such as Costa Rica is ideal. Add in the potential for good rental income and a free holiday home, and you have an investment you can actually enjoy as well in one of the most beautiful countries on earth. Add all the above up and you have an investment that is well worth considering from both a financial and a lifestyle point of view.